This is an arithmetic progression problem. Now, the question is, if the 10th term of an arithmetic progression is double the second term, find the 8th term given a equal to 7. A is the first term, meaning the first term. So now we have the 10th term equal to 2 times the second term. Why a is equal to 7, which is the first term. Now find the 8th term. So for us to do that, we're going to make use of the general arithmetic progression formula, which is the nth term is equal to a plus bracket open n minus 1 times d. So the 10th term will be a plus bracket open 10 minus 1 times what? D. This is the same thing as saying a plus 9d, and we know a to be equal to 7. So the 10th the 10th term will be 7 plus 9d, while the second term will now be applying the general formula. You have a plus bracket open 2 minus 1 times d, which is the same thing as saying, since a is 7, say 7 plus d is the second term. Now, making use of this formula here, this expression, you will now say 7 plus 9d, which is the 10th term, is equal to 2 times 7 plus d. So now let's open up the brackets. You have 7 plus 9d equal to 2 times 7 is 14 plus 2d. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to arrange it in terms now that are similar. So we need to remove minus, we need to remove 22d from this other side. We need to remove 7. We want the d to go to this other side, while 7 to go to this other side. So what we're going to do is, there are two ways to do this. I will just say I will minus 2d, since it's plus 2d, I minus 2d from the both sides. So we say minus 2d. So it will be the same. Then the next thing I also do is, since 7 is here, I want to move it to this other side. I will minus 7 from both sides of the equation. So this is what I will do. So 7 minus 7 will cancel out. Plus 9d minus 2d will give me what? 7d. Now 14 minus 7 will give me what? 7. 14 minus 7 will give me 7. Then plus 2d minus 2d will give me nothing. Now I have 7d equal to 7. So if you divide both sides by 7, this 7 will cancel out, this will cancel out, you have 1. So that means d is equal to 1. So we've gotten our d to be equal to 1. Another way to do this, where you have 7 plus 9d equal to 14 plus 2d, what you do, we'll say we'll move 7 to this other side, we'll move 2d to this other side. Now, if you move plus 7 to this other side of the equation, it becomes minus. If you move 2 plus 2d to this other side, it becomes minus 2. So now we have 9d minus 2d, which is moved from this other side. Then 7 move to this other side, you have 14 minus 7. So 9d minus 2d will give you 7d. 14 minus 7 will give you 7. Divide both sides by 7. You have d equal to 1. So that is it. So now the way we are asked to find the nth term, the nth, the eighth term will now be using the general formula where a is equal to 7. You have the general formula to be a plus 8 minus 1 times d. A is 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 times what? 1. So you have 14 as the eighth term. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day. And also do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime I make new videos, you'll be the first to watch it. Thank you and God bless.